Thasigi Kungatari Numidanga, Sakhangdaba, Kulai Paibasina, Manipur Police Department officers Singda, Chatharakkhiba Thouong Aduda Chennaba Sing PHADUNA, Logoba Cheirak Pinaba, THIBA HUMBAGI Thabak Chathari, Makatanasu Chatharakkhiba HAINA, Manipur Police Department MAIKEI KHANGHALLAKLI. Babupura da Laiba Manipur Police Headquarter da IGP Intelligence Kaviv K amasung IGP Operation IK Muiba Yauna, Pangthokpa Paugimpham Amada IGP Administration K Jayantana Hai. Thasigi Kungatareta Sakhangdaba Kulai Paibam Yui Karana, Imphal West District Additional SP Operation M Amit Yumda, Tugay Khaiba Made, Imung Manungi, Mui Sing Kanghanbaga Lunana, Additional SP Operation Masa PHADUNA Pukraga, Tamtina Chatharakkhiba Thouong Aduda condemned away. Masigi matung tarakpada Additional SP Operation M Amit amasung Police Department pu mingchat thiba yabam ongda maral kya sirliba si yabang amloi. Additional SP Amit mabukcher sengba amadi mathau masak khangba matik chaba police officer amane. Maglamda masigi miyam ngak senba amadi miyam yai fananaba thabak thorum kya paikhatpada mangjil thana saruk yaba officer amasuni. Kubna Tizilurabadi Mipum Kudemak Soy the Balandaba, Kanasu Yaroi, Adobo, Housing Manipur OIBA Piva Masida Ashoy Arang Tinaduna, Labor Matam Nate, Tatara Fazilak Laba Irangasida, State Force na, Kudong Tingai or Batongan Bamfam Singda, Tawai Kubak the Haptuna, Nong with the Punkungamari Mato Pangtuna, Miam get Hawaii Masung Lantum Ngak Seli. State Force in Thabak Thoramda, Miamna, Apin Baputuna, Irankan Bamafam Singda State Force Oina, Tamnanaba, Miamna, Taksinari Bane. State Force na Thawai Thabakidana, Miam Gidamak the Pangtok Liba, Thabak Thoram Singasi, Sakang Bibadagi Mahuta, Aranba Maral Gas Duna, Mingjatina Bokona Pasi, Tamoy Sokningaini, Miam Ngak Celiba State Force Etek Torlabadi, Matau Karamna, Matau Pangtokadoribano, State Force Singda, Lambda Masida Tamdu Laitaba, Hanjilakana Bokona Ribasida, Miamna, Mafumfana Sogapio, State Force Tamakatana Etek Chataraklabadi, Lambda Masida Army Amasung Central Force Masing Hena, Matau Tarakane. Amaromda kanagumba social media da post ama thagalakpa matamda miyamna achumara ningthina nainabiu mathau ningthina pangthokliba officer natraga unit amabu kanagumba na social media gi khuthangda target toruklabadi mathau taba logi oiba action lokhatkani haina su mangna makhata na phongdokhe
ate gi wanate akoi sama loina hujiki fringe area isida difficulty area isida kanglupani gi akoi matani police force eze kanuni akoi thabak tor pangaktani aduna sumaina maral serpasi makoi yaningde madi karino habada magi lawful oiba mandated duties ain piba tawgada mathau ma pangthok pane aba masida magi personally koi keno toba ama bhog leiba nate aduna sigi matang sima hainingi aduga una tenabada family gi imung munung yauna sumaina si tawbasigi akoi pende akoi condemn tawi koi yazu yaningde uji leiriba irang siga mari leina mayam khudimangna state force aisi yamna moina tawba thabak to neutrality oiba good service to always comment tawguni akoi gi periphery da leiriba akoi gi ima ibel mayam baza mayam na state force thambiyo aidana uji phawda ate snopi go state force thambiyo aidana adum ngasi numti gi tawrisi ne state force da attack tokta di kramaina akoi thabak tawdoino aduna akoi thabak tawba ngamakta bninda thabak tawgada atopa alternative ama praja gi life ti kandabiya de property kandabiya de si thira ko taawni aduna krai de lai armed forces acquisition tor ko taawni akoi thabak tawro no hai bani aduna sumbai ke no si mayam bhab ta batarka le
Paugi Mipamadu the Saruk Yakhiba IGP Intelligence Kaviv Ken Hai Thasigi Kungatareta Kulai Paibam Yoi Karana North AOC the Labor Government Oil Depot Tagi registration number MN07X 7682 amasung MN01X 7683 oiba ambassador car ani huran kre habagi akangnaba paw ma phangki paw do hek phangbaga additional SP operation M Amit amasung Imphal West District Commando gi OC P Achoba Maitei na luchingduna THIBA humbagi thabak chathabada car huran bagi thabakta Chennaba eramgani chingnaba myoy amaga loinana gari ani du recover tawba ngamki masigi matung hiramasigi matangda thizinanaba Imphal Police Station da case ama register tawki Police officer amoibagi tawfam thokpa mathau pangthok lubagi damak Sakhangdaba Kulai Paiba Kharana atamna police officer asigi mathakta etek Chatharakkhiba ni haina su mangna makhata na phongdokhe
Our police officer was doing his lawful mandated duty. So after this, targeting him or his family or other officers involving in this, our police department from the rank of DGP to VDM, we all are condemning it very strongly. And we request the elders of the society not to support such a kind of incidents. If police is threatened, then we will not be able to work. Then what will be the alternative? The other issues of insurgency, ASPA, all such things will come up. The armed forces will come. It is the police who has the advantage of knowing the local public and able to understand better in what's happening in Manipur. So we request all the citizens of Manipur, please help us. If any of our police is involved in any wrong thing, you are always welcome to come and give a complaint, and we will do as per law. But do not take law in your hand, and it will create more and more problem only.